Hey, let me see you get out! Hands on your head. That's the same truck?
Same truck, bro.
So I guess there was a confusion, but this was a truck that we were given out to look out for. Okay, go ahead, man. That's fine.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In August of 2022, Adam Pacheco was driving home from school when he noticed a New Mexico State police officer performing an odd maneuver to get behind him. Seconds later, as Adam pulls into his driveway, the officer conducts a felony stop, and Adam finds himself surrounded by men with firearms aimed directly at him.
Lincoln 756, suspect in that robbery, 76 and 106. Hey, let me see you get out! Put your hands up! Open the door! Put your hands up! Walk back! No, hey, no! Open, let me see your hands! Walk out! Walk out! Walk back! Let me lift up your shirt! Turn around! Lift up your shirt and turn around! Walk back! Turn around, walk back! Walk, walk! Keep on walking back. 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 Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Hands on your head. I got you. Stay right there. Keep your hand on your head.
The state police stopped Adam due to a BOLO, or be on the lookout, issued by the local department, the Espanola Police. Surveillance video from a recent string of robberies pointed officers to a white truck, but Adam's truck was almost nothing like the one the officers should have been looking for, other than it being white and having a sticker, an unbelievably common pair of identifiers. The Espanola Police still issued a BOLO for his specific license plate. This is important and will be brought up again later.
Up. I'll attack this way. Right here. You got any weapons on you? No. Yeah, he's gonna poke me, stick me? No?
Your name, bro?
Adam what?
Who dropped you off? Who dropped off that truck? No. That's your truck? Yeah. I just got out of school.
You were in school the whole time?
Yeah. I live here. This is my house. I don't know.
That's the same truck?
Same truck, bro.
Yeah.
That's cool.
One of the Espanola officers insists that this is the truck used in the robberies. At this point, the only thing the officers know is that this is not their suspect.
How old are you? 17?
You know, harboring a felony, right? Harboring a felony.
Who's this truck registered to?
This is my truck. This is my dad's.
Adam remains surprisingly calm, without having any idea about what is happening, and eventually, one of the officers begins to explain.
Come over here, man. You're under arrest right now. Yeah, you're just detained, man.
Just detained, okay? Give me some guys. So your truck is just a truck we've been looking for. It's been involved in some stuff. The intersection has? Yeah. What is it involved in? In some robberies. So, like I said, man, you're under arrest, brother. Just have a seat. You want to call your mom? What do you want to do? You want to call your mom?
Call your mom?
Where's your phone at?
It dropped, I think.
I think you left it anywhere.
No, it dropped.
Oh, it dropped right here?
I think it dropped now.
Okay, I'll go get it. Hey, I'll go get it. Call your mom, okay?
While an officer assists Adam in calling his mother, the state police officers doubt whether they have the right truck.
I know this is it.
This is it?
No, but I don't know if it's like the actual truck they saw. You know my mom's huh? I know, that's what I'm saying.
After slowly realizing that they've got the wrong guy, the officers finally remove the handcuffs as he talks to his mother.
You got nothing, no weapons? No. I'm gonna take off the handcuffs, sir.
Hi. So there's cops there at the house. And I tried to pull into the house and I got pulled over. And then, I don't know. Can you touch up his bottle?
Driving, how to see, bro?
Hi, this is Austin Magistrate, please. Hey, so your son's not in any trouble right now. He's just being detained for right now. So the truck that he's driving matches the description of the armed robbery that took place in the city. Okay. Well, like I said, it just matched the description, so we're just. So he's under arrest, but the police department wants to talk to him.
He's a minor. You will not have him without consent.
That's fine. Like I said, we're just holding him for Espanola Police Department to get him.
Where is here?
Just outside the house.
Just outside the house.
We're at the intersection of 106 and 76.
Okay,
did that happen
you are not
today?
talking to him until I get there.
Okay, that's fine.
What's up?
That happened today?
Yeah.
Where was that?
So in the city, but your truck was like given. Yeah. That was.
So
Yeah, I understand that, man. But the information we got and everything, that's what we got, you know.
but he's also not.
We didn't mean to scare you that bad, but.
So it's the same truck?
Oh yeah, same people. Well, that's a plate that we were given.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
The officer claims that his truck has a license plate that matched the Bolo, but vehicles in New Mexico are not required to have front plates, and it is unlikely that the officer saw Adam's rear plate until he got behind him. This is also important and will be discussed further in a moment, but for now, the officers are able to get a hold of Adam's mother.
Is that your mom?
Yes, my mom.
Oh, okay.
I'm at the house. Here's a cop. He wants to talk to you. Hello? Can you
Ma'am.
go ahead and hear?
Hello?
Put it on speaker.
Hello?
I don't think he's on speaker.
No. Hello?
I'm talking.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I couldn't hear you. So I guess there was a confusion, but this was a truck that we were given out to look out for.
I am livid. You know what?
No, I understand that.
And you guys had him handcuffed. He just got out of school. You got a 4.2 GPA kid.
I understand, ma'am, but that's the information that we're given, you know. So that's why we pulled him over.
Your information before.
Yes, ma'am. But that's the information that we were
I need
given.
your name, and I need your badge number.
Okay, Officer Rodriguez,
And what is your badge number?
135 now.
135.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be hearing from my attorney. This
Okay.
is ridiculous.
That's fine, ma'am.
You literally detained him and put him in handcuffs. He's a fucking minor.
No, I understand, but at the time we don't know that, so that's what we were rolling for.
What are you doing with him now?
So he's gonna get released. He's gonna go home.
This is ridiculous. You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be hearing from my attorney.
Okay, that's fine.
What is your manager? Is this Espanola PD or who the hell are you?
So Espanola PD is the one that received the call, and they're the ones that put out the bolo for the vehicle. This is state police.
This is ridiculous. Nothing in your right mind said he's a fucking minor.
No, ma'am. Well, we don't know because the vehicle's not registered to him. It's registered to you, right?
It's not true. His dad who has the same.
Right. Well, your name is Lisa Pacheco.
No, her name's Danielle.
Yeah.
Her name,
Detective Anaya will call you and he will answer more. Espanola Police Department. He'll answer more questions that you have.
Ridiculous. You know it's illegal to detain a minor without
So-
their present. You realize that, right?
No, ma'am. So we have probable cause to pull over the vehicle. So that was a probable cause, you know.
I want to
So
see the probable cause, and my attorney will release you.
okay, that's fine. That's fine, ma'am.
The state police officer now claims that they had probable cause to detain Adam for their investigation, and because of the information available to him when he pulled over the vehicle, he technically did. So to understand what's wrong with this situation, we'll have to dissect the bolo. The day prior, an armed robbery occurred at a local smoke shop. Officer James Myers of the Espanola Police investigated and determined that the getaway vehicle was a four-door white Toyota Tacoma with multiple stickers on the back window and a New Mexico license plate that featured a picture of a chili commonly grown in the state. Officer Myers then used surveillance footage from the surrounding street cameras and noticed another white Tacoma that was similar, but with enough obvious differences to determine that it was not the vehicle he was looking for. Adam's truck had only one sticker and sports a turquoise license plate, but despite those glaring differences, Officer Meyer took down the license plate number to create the bolo, which was then distributed to other agencies. The state police officers were only acting on information that they were given, which lays the fault squarely at the feet of Officer Myers. But regardless of the state police officer's involvement, the officer's attitude is less than apologetic, even after he realizes that they were wrong, which continues to infuriate Adam's mother.
So
You have him call me. Let me get you. Didn't even ask for my cell phone number, so how the hell do you expect me to call?
So you can call Detective Anaya, Espanola PD. So just call Espanola PD Police Department and have Detective Anaya give you a call.
No, you're the one that did this. You did this. He didn't do that.
So he's the one that put out that bolo, ma'am. He's the one that said for us to look for that vehicle. So he will answer more questions. We just
I want to know why you did this.
because,
You didn't get it.
like I said, Because like I said,
How old he was?
so ma'am, whenever, excuse me?
Give me your supervisor's name.
Okay, so it's Lieutenant Casales?
Articulate. I will call him because apparently you're an idiot.
Okay,
No,
go ahead, ma'am. That's fine. There you go.
Thank you.
What's up? You're good to go, bro. Yeah. No worries.
She's just freaked out. I was freaked
No, that's fine, man. Is that her?
out. No, that's my Nina. That's my
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. So you're good to go? Yeah, you're good to go, man.
so I can take the truck.
Yeah, you can take the truck.
Adam recently filed a lawsuit against the city of Espanola for causing a minor to suffer unreasonable fear and anxiety. They are also suing for wrongful imprisonment, illegal search and seizure, and other civil rights violations. The Espanola Police Department was negligent and appears to have rushed the investigation. 2 days after this incident, the real criminal was arrested after committing 9 robberies, one of which involved the fatal shooting of a restaurant employee. Overall, there seems to be a competency crisis in police departments all over the nation. While this carelessly rushed investigation didn't cause any injuries or deaths, it could have been much worse. The Espanola Police Department has refused to comment, so it's unclear if Sergeant Myers will be disciplined for his actions. Instead, once again, the taxpayers will likely be forced to foot the bill. And with that, let me know what you think should happen in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the Lackluster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.